absolutely boundless. Destroy. Now this video will bring you more impressive moments than ever. Thanks to its advanced technology, the Komatsu 951 easily handles complex logging tasks, from moving large logs to precise pruning operations. With its superior productivity, the Komatsu 951 is the optimal choice for professional logging operations. The woodworking machine is equipped with powerful cutting and hydraulic splitting machines, with high-powered motors for efficient wood processing. The cutting machine quickly cuts wood into small blocks, while the hydraulic splitting machine easily separates hardwood sections, increasing work productivity. The Frontier OS 27, with its 27 horsepower engine, is the perfect mini tractor for agricultural and gardening tasks. Thanks to its lightweight and versatile design, it easily operates on any terrain, delivering high performance and efficient handling of heavy workloads. An impressive performance from the TE Ottawa 4 HP chainsaw, with its powerful 4 horsepower engine, delivering superior cutting capabilities for heavy logging tasks. The robust design and high performance allow the machine to easily handle large tree trunks, optimizing workflow and improving efficiency in the forestry industry. Weighing 22,046 pounds, the machine easily handles large tree trunks, delivering high performance and exceptional durability in harsh working conditions. The DeBarker Raver WD-1400 is a powerful wood stripping machine, equipped with a 150 horsepower engine, efficiently removing wood bark. Next is a powerful tree felling machine, equipped with an 180 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 12,125 pounds. The specially designed scisswheel on-side leaner system allows for precise control of the tree and oppo's angle of inclination, optimizing performance and ensuring safety during harvesting. Facing challenging terrain, the KAMAZ 53228 truck is not only powerful, but also a true warrior. With the ability to carry tons of timber, this truck easily overcomes any challenge, making logging work faster and more efficient than ever before. This homemade firewood processing machine is an incredible engineering feat, equipped with a powerful 100 horsepower engine. With its optimized design, the machine can handle large volumes of firewood, cutting and processing it quickly resulting in high efficiency and time savings. Weighing in at 11,464 pounds, the machine operates stably, allowing for wide and precise wood cutting, optimizing productivity in all conditions. The Woodmiser WB-2000 wideband sawmill, equipped with a powerful 55 kilowatts engine, delivers superior wood sawing performance for large-scale jobs. The fast automatic saw, with its powerful motor and high power output, can quickly cut wooden planks in just 2 minutes without human intervention. Thanks to its stable weight and automatic system, the machine optimizes performance, ensuring high accuracy and saving time. With its intelligent design, the GCAR step feeder, single-module machine accurately and efficiently divides wood. This machine is optimized for rapid wood processing, minimizing waste and increasing productivity in the woodworking process. With its powerful 210 horsepower engine, the Komatsu Harvester is a specialized piece of equipment ideal for logging. Its stable weight and robust design allow it to easily handle large trees, ensuring high productivity. The John Deere 903M Feller Buncher, with its powerful 260 horsepower engine and robust construction, is a specialized tool for felled tree harvesting. It operates efficiently in all terrain conditions, meeting all job requirements. The Vermeer HG 6800 TX 30th edition, equipped with a powerful 530 horsepower engine, is the ideal wood chipper for large-scale wood processing tasks. Weighing 48,513 pounds, the machine operates stably and efficiently, ensuring superior performance. When it comes to power in the forestry industry, the Romanian articulated forestry tractor, Super Puterăsiu UNTF Tuningat, is the superior choice. With its powerful engine and high power output, it easily overcomes difficult terrain. The machine delivers high efficiency, increasing work productivity. Impressive. With a splitter of 176,369,809 pounds and a 24 thrust wedge, this hydraulic side loader with adjustable beam allows for efficient timber handling. Specifically, this equipment is capable of handling logs up to 1.97 feet long, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in the job. Entering the world of logging, the Ponce K121 HSP050 is indispensable. With its 290 horsepower engine and a weight of 46,290 pounds, the Ponce K121 HSP050 delivers powerful discharge capabilities, handling wood quickly and efficiently. The process of building a wooden house begins with selecting and processing high-quality wood materials. Next, components such as the frame, walls, and roof are assembled precisely, creating a sturdy structure. Finally, finishing touches are added, resulting in a beautiful and durable wooden house. Would you like to explore the Primal Teeny SGA 1300 WSF CFE IFB wood sawing line with its high power and fast wood cutting capabilities? Equipped with a high-powered engine, this machine is designed for quickly and accurately cutting large logs. The Primal Teeny SGA 1300 WSF CFE IFB delivers superior performance, ideal for large-scale woodworking workshops. If you and Oppos re-looking for the ultimate woodworking solution, the BLB Energy Holes GBR 94575 is the perfect choice. It can handle logs up to 5 meters long, thanks to its powerful motor. With its conical splitting technology, it easily cuts oversized logs without diameter limitations, delivering outstanding efficiency. With its advanced technology, the patent-pending side-tool lumber mill offers a powerful and efficient solution. The mechanical and hydraulic system of the mini excavator, mounted on the thumb, and the 75 horsepower engine handle hardwoods and lumber. Are you curious about the powerful capabilities of the Moorbark 4036 micro grinder? The Moorbark 4036 micro grinder is equipped with 16 Advantage 3-drum blades and an 800 horsepower Cat C27 engine. It not only produces wood chips quickly, but also delivers superior performance, ideal for large-scale woodworking. The new 20-30 CS round sawmill, with its powerful Kohler 56 HP Tier 4 diesel engine, delivers outstanding performance. Advanced technology allows the machine to easily handle large logs without any problems. This is clear evidence of the power and precision that modern machinery can bring to woodworking.